Hey everyone, Coach Investor here, back with another video for you today. In today's video we're going to discuss Facebook stock and why I still believe they are going to be the next trillion-dollar company. Now some of you might know that I sold my Facebook shares a couple of weeks or so ago because I don't like having this company in my portfolio for an ethical point of view. That's why I wrote, you can hate the company but you can still love the business. So in this video we're going to talk about their Instagram business, the Instagram Reels that will rival TikTok, and is actually already starting to rival TikTok for the ad revenue. We're going to talk a bit about their ad revenue as a whole because that is 98% of their business. And in my opinion, what will boost their business towards that $1 trillion valuation is this VR set right here, the Oculus Quest 2. I think this VR world is going to make them so much money moving forward. This is only the start, so we're going to look at it in this video why I believe this is a great way to boost their valuation and their business moving forward. But before I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, we're almost at 4,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And if you like those videos, leave it an early thumbs up as it helps me outgrow the channel and get my videos out there. So without further ado, let's first look at the charts. Right, and as for Facebook, it's a bit of a similar story every time we try to cover and look at Facebook. So the stock went all the way up to above $300. Then again, some news broke out about Facebook, the market crashed, etc. Some other scandal, some other case in the court or whatever. This stock went all the way back down to around those prices right here where we've seen the gap after earnings. So the stock actually touched support right around those prices, $245, which was one of those big resistance points before earnings report. So again, for those of you that don't know, I actually sold my position in Facebook right around those prices right here. Obviously, yes, it went all the way up to $300, but as we can see right now, it went all the way back down to those same prices. Right, as you just seen, if you want to open a position or add to your Facebook position, I think right now could be a good move before it moves up back to those $300 levels. Now, next topic is Instagram and why I think Instagram and Instagram Reels is going to be huge for Facebook. Well, last year, Instagram brought them $20 billion worth of ad revenue. That is around 30% of their total ad revenue for last year, which was $69 billion.
Coincidence? I think not!
Now we're gonna look a bit at why those Instagram Reels, which is mimicking TikTok app basically, why I think and why they are building that platform to rival TikTok the same way they've done with stories to rival Snapchat, and we all know what happened after that. So we're going to look at a couple of interesting things right now. Alright, so Instagram Reels has been added to the platform and has opened up in a couple of countries in the world. So as of now, I think it's there. You can see that Instagram Reels is available in 50 countries as of August 5th. Maybe now it's available in a bit more countries, but these are the important points I wanted to show you guys. So Instagram Reels was released in India on July 12th. As you know, TikTok was banned in India and still banned in India at the moment. So Instagram downloads in India have increased from 7 million downloads in the 30 days prior to the launch of Instagram Reels to 7.8 million downloads after the launch, an increase in Instagram downloads of 11.4%. Instagram averages 100 million daily active users in India after the launch of Instagram Reels, same as before the launch, so not that much has changed, but the average time spent on Instagram in India increased by 3.5% since the launch of Instagram Reels. Now, how is this going to help Facebook moving forward? Because obviously it's nice to have a new feature, but we would like to see maybe a revenue stream of some sort. So we can see here, lots of NBA franchises have been using Reels. Everybody's starting to use Instagram Reels to get more traction. Obviously, companies like Red Bull love those types of things, have those extreme videos in those short time clips. So again, this is going to be another revenue stream for marketing, for advertising in Instagram. For Facebook, it's pretty simple. If you cannot buy them, make the same thing on your platform. We've seen that with Snapchat. They wanted to acquire Snapchat. They said no. Okay, so they created their own thing inside Instagram, which is Instagram Stories, which is basically exactly what Snapchat has been doing. Right, and for those of you that are using TikTok or Instagram Reels, or actually both, Let me know down in the comments below if you really think those are similar, which one do you prefer, and which one do you think will last longer. Let me know down in the comments below. Now, next up is the topic of the virtual reality. So Facebook basically bought Oculus, I think 6 years ago, for around $2 billion in stock and cash. Since then, they haven't really done much with it. We've seen a couple of Oculus Rift, Oculus S, etc. But nobody really uses it for gaming or for venues or events or etc. But right now, this is all about to change. Alright, so this year they released their new Oculus Quest 2, which is supposed to bring their market share and their revenue quite high because of their pricing and the way it's been built. So right now it has 35% market share. Sony, which is ranked second, doesn't really directly compete with Facebook because its VR headset are just connected to the PS4 consoles. Now, standalone VR headsets accounted for 49% of all VR headset sales last year. Facebook reportedly shipped 705,000 Quest headsets last year, but its rumored production goal of 2 million headsets this year. Now, Facebook's decision to ramp up Oculus production, then slash its price to $299, indicates its plans to make up for the lost time. Now, obviously, this Oculus device is not going to reduce the dependency on the ad revenue, which is still 98% of the whole business, but this will probably help them extend their lead in the VR market moving forward. It is said that this market, which could still grow at a compound annual rate of 21.6% between 2020, so this year, and 2027. Now, here are some examples on how I believe this technology will help with events, venues, concert, gaming, etc., and help them generate more revenue moving forward. So first up, we have obviously the VR social events, the concerts, the venues. We've seen that there is actually a product called Venues where you just go into types of lobby, let's say, but in my opinion, you can transform that into conferences, maybe a Comic-Con, etc., concerts, gaming halls, meetings, work from home as well. We see that this work from home style is a bit resembling to the Tony Stark Iron Man style with Jarvis, etc. You just work from home, you see everything in your glasses, but you can still see what is going on in your surroundings. Whether or not this is working 100%, this still remains to be seen. If you know if that works 100%, let me know down in the comments below if you have tried such a device before. But in my opinion, this whole technology thing, this whole virtual reality meetings, conferences, concerts, sporting event, etc., is going to be huge moving forward, especially, well, sadly to say, it's thanks to the pandemic that we have this year that this will enable VR worlds and events to become successful moving forward. Because in my opinion, a lot of people would like to attend concerts or sporting events, but one, too expensive, or two, they don't live in this specific country. Well, VR will enable them to actually be there virtually, but still experience maybe the same type of atmosphere and still be paying cheaper prices than being actually there. I think this is going to be a huge business for Facebook and for another company that wants to compete with them. As of now, we've seen they have such a huge chunk of market share. So moving forward, I will believe this will push them to this $1 trillion valuation. And that will be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you have Facebook, if you're buying, or if you have already sold Facebook. What are your opinion on the matter? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, we're almost at 4,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.